Woo! What are we gonna play with today?
Robo Turtle.
Robo Turtle.
And these are we have
What
found.
we have here?
So this is the Magical Mermaid, and this is the pink Robo Fish, and these are all of the Robo Fishes.
The Robo Fish is good. That's a good explanation. Woo-hoo-hoo. So we have a little mermaid Robo Fish. Is that what it is?
Yeah, it can swim in the water. When you press the button, it slaps its tail.
Oh my, you're quite good. Okay.
And the Robo Fish can flap his tail too.
Eh? I didn't know. Okay. Come on then, shall we open this thing?
Yeah.
Come on then, who's gonna open it? Come on.
Me, because I'm expert at doing it.
Oh my, okay, you're expert. You're an expert. Okay, open it up. Can you open it?
No, it's too hard.
Too hard? Okay.
Maybe my sister can do it
Okay.
because she's expert at opening it.
Okay. Okay.
Wow!
Okay, here we go.
Is that a baby scooter?
Yeah, that's a baby's food wire.
Take it off. Wow.
Wow! Well, look at this.
Ooh, I like that.
Also swimming in the
Whoa,
water.
it's got
Let's see how it works.
big flappers on it. This Robo Turtle is
Oh,
cute.
look at that.
Give me.
It swims.
Give me it.
Is he alive?
Yeah. Where's the button? Oh, give me that. Where's the button?
Ooh, I like that. Look at that big patterns on it.
Yeah.
It's got two eyes also. And it's all blue and yellow.
And it's got this on it, so
What's
it's his tummy. It's
it's
blue.
got a little tummy.
It's blue tummy. So
Tummy, yeah.
it's got
And
some
it's quite-
batteries.
Squishy squashy. Oh, it's quite squishy squashy. Can you feel it? Squishy. Oh, meow, 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 meow. Squishy squashy. Oh, meow, meow, meow. Okay.
And I'll also twist his head too.
Okay, can you?
Yeah, look.
Okay, so let's put some water in the bowl.
I can do it.
Can you do it? Okay, then go on, do it.
Oh, we can do it together.
Yeah, go on then. Do it together. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
It has start to fill.
Yeah, water going in.
Whoa.
Oh, I think I need some more. Okay. We got some more while we play with the turtle. So what we have here? Well, we have a little mermaid again.
Leave it like this so it can be a line.
Okay, so it's in a line. Let me have a look at that. So, there you go. So that's the Robo Fishes and the Robo Mermaid and the Robo Turtle.
It can be a line too.
Are they gonna all play together in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's a motor.
Okay. Put it in there. You need some more?
Maybe. Oh, no.
Yeah, okay then.
And
We
we're
need
going
some
to
more.
play with.
Oh, look at this baby octopus.
Look.
Ooh,
It's
what's that?
purple.
Purple baby octopus.
That's the blue sea and that's the orange sea.
Okay. There we go again.
There we go. Now,
You put some more in there or is that
I
it?
think that's
Okay, come on then.
What? Hey,
So who's gonna go in first?
first. First, let's see the other ones. Then the
first, the Robo Mermaid. Oh, swimming.
Okay, there you go.
It's running around the circles.
Okay. There it is. Hello. Hello, little mermaid.
Hello.
Okay, who's next?
The fish, green fish. Let's see it.
Let's see. Oh,
It's swimming. He's swimming to the mermaid.
the fish is alive. The fish is alive. What's next?
The pink one, mermaid. The pink Robo Fish. And then put in the here.
Oh.
It's moving.
Oh.
It's running around in circles.
Woohoo! There it is. Ooh. Ooh, we are having fun.
And now is it the Robo Fish.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, it's doing it.
Come on then. Whoa.
It's running around circles.
They're going round and round. Oh, they're playing all together. Here you go.
Now this one.
Whoa!
It's looking at them. Look, he's looking at them.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Whoa! The greeny fish, Robo, and the turtle are playing together. Okay. Oh, we go. Look at that. They're all playing together in there. Oh, they're all having fun. Aren't they, guys? Yeah.
That's the girl. And,
Okay.
and these are the boys.
Okay. Shall we put the turtle in now?
Yep.
Let's have a look. Ooh.
Why not its
Let it-
fins
It's
up?
gonna leave in. Here you go.
He's gonna do it himself.
Yeah, just leave it.
Just take it out of here.
Take the big thing out and then let's see what they do.
Yeah, let's take this big.
There you go.
Oh, look.
He's
Look
getting
at the
better
fish.
in there.
Look, there's a fish and the turtle are hugging to them together.
Oh yeah, they're hugging and playing together. Look. Okay, look at that. He's getting used to the water.
Wow.
Slowly, slowly, and
Yeah,
baby steps.
turtles are slow anyway.
He's taking baby steps. Yeah.
Look. The fish is on the...
Look.
He's taking baby steps. Baby's taking baby steps. Whoa. Wow. I'm having fun.
Look, the fish is on the water.
The fish is in the water. And they're playing all together. Whoa. So that is the Robo Turtle.
It can also walk on land.
Here you go. Okay, let them play. So that was Robo Turtle and the Robo Fishes. Let them play. See you guys later. Say bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye bye.